Hey guys, we're in China. This is Canton Fair 2018, China Import and Export Fair. We'll see here a lot of sport products as well as bags, backpacks, luggage and different accessories and clothes. So I hope we'll find here some t-shirts for our team, for InMove Skate team. Plus maybe some backpacks as we are doing OEM models of backpacks. We'll see. Hey, so this is the end of the Canton Fair and I found some t-shirts, synthetic t-shirts and cotton t-shirts and also some buffs. So I guess we'll make some t-shirts and buffs with the InMove logo and maybe we'll give it for our customers or we'll sell it on our store. I'm not sure yet. We are going to Shenzhen to Technic Fair. I know what we'll see there, so we'll see. So this was Alex. See you on the next fair. Hey guys, we are in Guanzhou right now, it's midnight. Tomorrow we are going to Shenzhen, we will look for some electronics, consumer electronics. This is all for Canton Fair and we found t-shirts that we will make in few months, I guess. Right now we don't know about material that we should choose. It could be synthetic or it could be cotton. Please write below your comments what material you think would be better for us, for our club InMove Skates. Thank you guys! Whoa, that's crazy, so big. We are in Shenzhen and right now we are going to Consumer Electronics Fair to see some interesting products there. Electronics. Right now we're in Guanzhou and tomorrow will be a great day. 9:30 we'll go to Microskate's office. We'll see there different inline skates of this new brand that expanded the world. We'll see. Yeah, I guess it will be a great day.